Hello guys, I use smartphone Samsung Galaxy M21. This version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory in the green color. Start unpacking. Open box. Okay, device. In complementation we have adapter for charging with quick charge, USB Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. SIM slot for 2 nano SIM card and microSD card for memory. On the back side, triple camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, 6.4-inch display and front camera. Left side slot, right side power key and volume keys. Down side USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. Super AMOLED display, Full HD resolution. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. Android 10, CPU Exynos 9611, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores. GPU Mali G72, resolution and display PPA. Okay. Log results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Close this and look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark score, ranking, Samsung place, 77 place. Okay, close this and open demanded game Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device on the maximum graphic level. Start game. Game load works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay. Close this and now I show you camera. Photos on the main camera 48 plus 8 plus 5 megapixels, main camera 20 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.